Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial. No regular expressions in PHP. This is going to be, I'm just gonna show you how to use it. If you haven't used regular expressions at all, then you should learn that somewhere. Learn Regex. There is this Regex learn, there are so many of them, so just go somewhere and learn them. And just learn the basics at least, it's not so hard. With these schools maybe. Yeah, so you can actually go here and you can see the basics. Regular expression patterns, find one character, blah blah. Find a match at the beginning of the string. These are super useful to know. So in case you don't know, I will probably make another tutorial on that, but this is just to use it with PHP, so you should already know that. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first name. It's gonna be Mike, and we're going to want to filter that first name. By the way, I'm also using a PHP Storm now, and I'm going to be using that with PHP because it's much better for me, because you see how detailed everything is, and that's also helpful for you, I guess, when you see that. So let's start with preg_match, which is a function that is going to take in a pattern. So / and I'm gonna say match the word. It's gonna match the word Mike. We can also do this, match in the word Mike from the beginning here, the start of the string, and until the end of the word. And then we want to say subject is going to be first name, and then we're gonna return the match. Or actually, before that, we can add it. But I'm gonna echo that first to see what we get. Let's refresh, and we get 1. That means there is a result. Okay, so this is passing. Mike is gonna pass here. Now, if this was a digit, its first name is 1, and I refresh. Yeah, sorry. So W matches digit also. So if it's let's say something else, a symbol, this, let's put it into a string because it's so it's gonna be 0. Okay, so let's say hello is, or you can say like subject is hello. Okay, so we're gonna filter this and we get 1 because it's an we can also use regex _1 to make sure before we add the code here it works. So we can say, let's say hello here, and then W, and then this. So it's matching the whole word. You see here, match 1, group 0, matches hello. Matches any word or character equivalent to A to Z, so small caps and 0 to 9. So that's why it matched the 1 before. So the next function, the next thing we can do here is the third parameter here, which is match. Now this is going to be what we get. The match, so it's gonna return what it matches from this pattern. So it's gonna be hello, of course. That's what it matches. But if I have world, it's not gonna match the world. Do you see? I refresh. But if I add like space, so now it's gonna match the space after the word, and then match the word again, the second word, which is gonna be this. It's gonna be fine. But match is going only to return what it's what we pass here. So I'm gonna leave it to W, And I'm gonna do the next function, which is very similar. It's almost the same. That's all. And I'm gonna say, I'm actually gonna create a variable called pattern. I'm gonna add it here, so we don't need to type it again. Don't repeat yourself. So I'm gonna go to the subject, and the subject is gonna be that one. And then we have another match here. Match 2. What a name, right? But it doesn't matter. It's just a tutorial. So for now, we want to see what the results. Match 2. Or actually, I cannot see this. Match all. It's a bit better. So refresh. Now we get hello. So you'll be like, what the hell? That's the same. Exactly the same thing. The difference is, let me show you. If we have hello, or let's say a better example. Hello. Okay. We're gonna get one hello here. So let me just comment this out. I'm gonna get, now I'm getting one, yes. And this, I'm gonna do var dump match. So remember, the first match is going to give me hello, because it's all the first one. I'm matching only the first word. Now the second one is giving me also that, but if I just do word, or actually I'm gonna do hello. Okay, so I'm gonna do this hello for both of these. So this is gonna match hello. Let's put it here. So this is going to match hello, and this is going to match hello. Okay, and the hello is here, so it's gonna match. Let's see the difference. This is 3. And the difference is that this returns, the first match returns 1 hello, and the second one, the preg match all, is going to return 3 times. It's going to return all the cases where this matches, okay? So it's pretty logical. So you see here, hello 3 times, and here's only 1 time. And I can also do a BR. So this is the first, and this is the second. So yes, so the first one is going to match only once, and this is going to match all the cases where this pattern is actually true. Now we have another function also called preg replace. I mean, we have many of them. Look at here. Look here. But these are, I think, these are most the most basic ones, the most used. Preg replace. We're gonna take again pattern, which is hello. We're gonna replace it with something. We're gonna replace it with hello world, and we're gonna use a subject, which is the string here. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna search for hello, and we're gonna replace it with hello world. Now let's see what happens. I'm gonna actually save this into a variable. Hello world. And I'm gonna say hello world this. And I'm going to also add a BR, Jesus Christ, every time. So what's happening now is every time there is a hello, it's going here, it's gonna replace this hello world, hello world 3 times. So you see this, right? If I change this, this is pretty common, this is very awesome function actually. You can do this, it's gonna replace 3 times. So that would be better to do, like take hello, and I can say hello Mike. So, and that's pretty much it. I think that's fine. Now if you have no experience again with Regex, go ahead and play some games. Regex. What was the name? This one maybe. No. There's a game with Regex. I don't remember the name, but Regex game crossword. Yeah, you can play this game here. So it has a lot of tasks to solve. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. That's how you use Regex, and see you in the next one. Take care, have a nice day, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.